In this video, we will see how to create a work order from an existing BOM in ERP. Open the existing BOM and verify the finished good item, raw material details, required quantity, and BOM information. Click the Create button and select Work Order. ERP will automatically open the work order screen and fetch the BOM details. Verify the manufacturing details such as BOM number, quantity, and items. Enter the warehouse details, including source warehouse, WIP warehouse, finished goods warehouse, and scrap warehouse. The required operations will be automatically fetched from the BOM. Ensure all required fields are entered correctly, including workstation and warehouse details. Once verified, click Save and submit the work order. After submission, the job card will be automatically created based on the operations defined in the BOM. Work order status options such as stop and close will be available according to the production process and current status. The work order is now successfully created from the existing BOM.